Downgrade risk is a risk that the bonds will get downgraded. So the bonds have to be rated by some bond rating agencies like Standard and Poor, Fitch, Moody's. So they rate the bond. Okay. So typically, let's say if you consider a rating by S&P, you have a bonds like AA, AAA, A. So AAA bond have the highest rating. So highest rating means these are the safest bond. As a result, AAA bond will have the lowest yield. So the yield will be lowest for the AAA bond. Okay. Now think about you have AAA bond, AA bond, A bond. Okay. Yield of this bond is 5%. Yield of this bond will be more than 5 or less than 5. It will be typically more because the risk is more. Let's say the bond yield is 7%. Okay. And let's say one bond was trading at AAA. The rating agency downgraded the bond from AAA to AA. What will happen? The yield of the bond will from 5% it will change to 6%. When the yield is becoming 6%, when the yield is increasing, what can be said about the price of the bond? The price of the bond will decrease. So with the increase in yield, the price of the bond will decrease. In a downgrade, what happens is from AAA it gets a AA. Downgrade rating, downgrade will typically you will find that the price would decrease. Now what you say is downgrade risk. Downgrade risk is when you have a possibility that the downgrade happens, the price will decrease. The companies who are rating these bonds, they will assign on the probability of default. Okay, on the probability of default, they will assign the bond rating. In S&P rating, the bonds up from AAA to BBB, these are investment grade. That means like you can think of that the probability of losses are low. Junk bonds are those bonds where the probability of losses are higher. So they are rated at BB or below C, like that. The bond which is not paying the coupon or the principal, it is called as default bond. So default bond is the like most risky of the instrument.